right now and listen, because the biggest AI and education story of 2025 is exploding today. Duolingo, the language app trusted by hundreds of millions, just made the most dramatic U-turn in EdTech history. Their bold, AI-first experiment, designed to replace human teachers with artificial intelligence, has failed. Miserably. After a global backlash and viral outrage, Duolingo has slammed the brakes on its robot teacher revolution. But why did so many users, educators, and parents rise up to say no to AI? What does this mean for the future of learning and for you? And are we witnessing the limits of AI in our everyday lives? Stick around, because you're about to get the inside story, the risks, the reality, and the epic showdown between tech hype and human wisdom. Before we dive in, subscribe and hit the bell. We bring you the fastest, most important breaking AI news first. Chapter 1. The AI First Vision. Duolingo's bold gamble. Let's start at the top. Why did Duolingo gamble its future on AI? In early 2025, Duolingo shocked the world with a radical promise. Their entire learning experience would be AI first. No more waiting for teachers or lesson writers. Artificial intelligence would build courses, explain grammar, and even grade students in real time. The green owl mascot was suddenly your AI tutor, capable of personalizing your journey in ways no human could. What drove this move? Unprecedented scale. AI could instantly create content for dozens of languages, dialects, and even the latest slang. Cost savings? Fewer staff, less overhead. AI doesn't need sleep, benefits, or pay raises. Personalization. Algorithms could tailor every lesson, quiz, and reminder to your weaknesses and strengths. Investors loved it. Tech journalists declared a revolution. Duolingo's marketing blitz painted a future where anyone, anywhere, could master any language faster and cheaper than ever. The first AI-only lessons rolled out in beta to millions. For a moment, it seemed like the future had arrived. Automated quizzes, instant feedback, new modules being published at breakneck speed, and a flurry of press about ending the tyranny of the classroom. But as the weeks ticked by, users began to notice. Jokes fell flat. Explanations felt off. The human touch was gone. Yet, Duolingo doubled down, convinced that user complaints were just growing pains on the way to progress. But then, everything changed. Chapter 2. Global Backlash. When users fight back. What Duolingo never expected was the tsunami of backlash that would follow. Social media erupted. Hashtags like #SaveDuolingo, #BringBackTeachers, and #AIIsNotEnough trended worldwide. X/Twitter, Reddit, and TikTok became battlegrounds for users sharing horror stories. Parents uploaded videos of their kids confused by bizarre, robotic lesson explanations. Teachers went viral by comparing AI lessons with human-written ones, showing just how cold, repetitive, or even wrong the AI content could be. A viral Instagram post featured side-by-side screenshots of a classic witty green owl prompt versus an awkward, emotionless AI message. Students missed the jokes. Longtime users said the app was soulless. Memes and jokes about the glitching owl and Duolingo's new robot teacher spread everywhere. Real-world impacts. App Store ratings crashed by 1.7 stars in a single week. Subscription cancellations hit record highs. Education influencers roasted the app on YouTube, racking up millions of views, dissecting robotic fails and translation blunders. One viral comment summed it up. "My Duolingo owl used to nag me like a teacher. Now it just repeats mistakes like a broken bot." And the pain wasn't just online. Teachers protested the erasure of their roles in the company and industry. Linguists warned about lost nuance, idioms, and cultural context that only humans could provide. Language communities in Africa and Asia noticed that the new AI-generated content misunderstood their local expressions, sometimes leading to embarrassing, even offensive mistakes. The message was clear. The world wasn't ready to hand over education to machines. Chapter 3. Science versus Hype. The limits of AI in education. Let's dig deep. Why did AI fail to replace human teachers so spectacularly? AI's strengths. Speed. Generate new content in seconds. Scale. Instantly update lessons for millions. Personalization. Algorithms track your mistakes and serve up custom exercises. But research and real-world experience tell a different story about what truly works in learning. 1. No empathy or motivation. AI can't sense when you're bored, tired, frustrated, or need encouragement. Teachers feel the room, spot confusion, and know when to crack a joke or deliver a pep talk. 2. Cultural and contextual blindness. AI often mistranslates idioms or fails to spot subtle language cues. A lesson that makes sense in English might be nonsense or even rude in Korean, Arabic, or Swahili. 3. Loss of engagement. A 2025 Stanford study showed that students using human-taught platforms completed 28% more lessons and had higher retention than those on AI-only systems. Why? Real teachers make learning memorable. They connect learning to real life, share stories, and motivate students when it gets tough. 4. Bugs and repetition. AI can get stuck. Multiple users reported being served the same personalized exercise over and over. Others complained that the AI help made the same mistake again and again. What's innovative one day becomes boring and then frustrating the next. 5. Community and culture teachers don't just teach, they build community, foster debates, celebrate wins, and help students see their progress in context. AI only mimics these things. In survey after survey, parents, students, and teachers all agreed. AI is a great assistant, but a poor replacement. Chapter 4. The downfall. Duolingo's AI dream collapses. With the global backlash mounting, Duolingo was forced to confront reality. The data told a grim story. New user growth slowed to a crawl. Social sentiment, tracked via AI, ironically, showed negativity at all-time highs. Paid subscribers were leaving in droves, with many citing the robotic experience as the reason. Duolingo's leadership scrambled for solutions, emergency internal meetings, direct calls with top teachers and content creators, many of whom had already resigned. Urgent surveys sent to millions of users, asking, what's gone wrong? Then, the unthinkable. On May 25th, 2025, Duolingo's CEO issued a public apology live. We went too far, too fast. We've heard you. AI is powerful, but learning is human. We are bringing our teachers back, slowing our AI rollout, and recommitting to making Duolingo fun and effective for everyone. The company immediately paused all AI-only lesson launches, announced a task force of human educators to review and approve content, invited fired and resigned teachers to return at higher salaries and with greater creative control. The story was everywhere. Duolingo admits defeat. Human teachers win. Education journalists called it the most dramatic reversal in EdTech history. Tech outlets analyzed how overconfidence in AI can backfire even at the world's top companies. For users, it was a victory proof that your reviews, posts, and even memes can force real change. Chapter 5. What now? The new era of hybrid learning. So what does the future look like after Duolingo's humbling defeat? Here's what's next for EdTech, AI, and for you. 1. The return of the human companies everywhere are rethinking their AI strategies. Hybrid is the new gold standard. AI for speed and personalization. Humans for explanation, motivation, and real connection. Expect more human-checked badges, co-created courses, and a renewed focus on the joy of learning together. 2. Transparency and trust. Duolingo and others now pledge to disclose exactly where AI is used and when a real person has created, checked, or taught the lesson. Trust in tech depends on honesty. 3. Stronger communities platforms are building new spaces for teachers, parents, and students to give direct feedback and even co-create content. Expect more live Q&A, language clubs, and events that blend digital with in-person connection. 4. Global impact. The world is watching. Governments are starting to propose new rules, minimum levels of human oversight, bans on AI-only education for kids, and funding for retraining teachers as digital creators and community leaders. 5. You have the power. If this crisis proved anything, it's that every user, every review, every share makes a difference. In the era of AI, your voice shapes the future. For students, enjoy the best of both worlds, personalized practice, plus real human insight. For parents, you have more tools and more say than ever. For teachers, your skills are irreplaceable. Your role just got more valuable. The shockwave. Why this story changes everything. So what did we learn from Duolingo's AI disaster? AI is here. It's amazing. But it cannot replace the messy, funny, unpredictable genius of human teaching. The world said no to soulless robot lessons, and for once, the tech giant had to listen. Let this be a lesson for every company, every school, every innovator. Technology should amplify our humanity, not erase it. The best solutions are built with people, not for them. If you want to change the world, listen to the people living in it. If you found this story eye-opening, subscribe for more breaking AI news first, every time. Comment below. Would you ever trust a robot as your only teacher? Why or why not? What's the weirdest AI mistake you've ever seen? This is AI Horizon Daily, bringing you the boldest, wildest, and most important AI updates every single day. Stay smart, stay curious, and keep learning with the best of both worlds.